This is the condition. This is the probability of the event we have to find out. Okay. Any doubt in this? Conditional probability of the event F2, assuming that event even has already occurred. Okay, has already occurred means, so that is a second event that we write below the slash. Okay, what is the current event? Event F2. So according to conditional probability, how can we write this? It is a probability of F2 intersection E divided by probability of E. Am I right? According to conditional formula, conditional probability formula, probability of F2 given E equals to probability of F2 intersection E by probability of E. Now we should find, we know the probability of E. We know what is E. Okay. Let us write what is F2 intersection E. Can someone tell me what are the elements in F2 intersection E? F2 is a phase itself.
Sir, only F2.
Yes. The common element between F2 and E is F2. Now, can you tell me what is the probability of this F2 intersection? How many possible outcomes? 6 outcomes. Out of this, how many are favorable to the F2 intersection E?
1.
Only one, right? Similarly, probability of even
1 by 3,
out
sir.
of 6, out of 6, yeah, out of 6, how many are favorable to even? 3. It is 1 by 2. Okay. The probability of E is what? Total outcomes, favorable outcomes by total outcomes. Total outcomes are 6. Out of 6, how many are favorable to even? 2, 4, 6. So 3 are favorable. Now let us apply these formulas here. 1 by 6 by 3 by 6. 6 gets cancelled. It leaves us 1 by 3. Okay, this way we have to find. First, we have to understand the event. If you understand the event, the problem 90% is over. Any doubt in this problem? Any doubt? Please copy. Shall I move to the next problem? Here I wrote events. It is better to write outcomes. Outcomes are equally likely. Yes. Second problem. A box contains. Can someone read the problem? Anyone?
A box contains
Okay.
3 white balls
Okay.
and 3 white balls W1, W2, W3
Okay.
and 2 red balls
Okay.
R1, R2. We remove at we remove at two at random 2 balls in succession.
Succession means
Um, went one after the
simul.
other
Yeah, very good. Gone off.
simultaneously. What is the probability
Mm.
that the first removed ball is white and second is red?
Second is red. So first
Red.
let us. Mm. Okay. So what we have to find in this? So first one is white and second one is a red. Okay. So what is the probability of drawing a white ball? Okay. First we have to pick up the white ball. Next, what is the probability we have to find? Next, a probability find out చేయాలమ్మా.
Red
Anyone?
ball, sir.
Red
Red
balls.
ball. Now red ball అనేది conditional unconditional. Probability of red. Now it is conditional because already
Yes,
one
sir.
event has occurred. Already one event has occurred. Okay. So this is probability of white intersection red. This one we have to find. Okay. So
Sir,
probability of
please tell
white
once
ball.
again, sir.
Sorry.
Please tell once again, sir.
First, we have to draw the white ball. Do you agree with that?
Yes, sir.
ఓకే నా బాక్స్ లో 3 వైట్ బాల్స్ ఉన్నాయి 2 రెడ్ బాల్స్ ఉన్నాయి అందులో ఫస్ట్ వైట్ బాల్ డ్రా చేసాం వాట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రాబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ దట్ వైట్ బాల్ నెక్స్ట్ ఒక వైట్ బాల్ డ్రా చేశాక లోపల 4 బాల్సే ఉంటాయి సేమ్ కండిషన్ ఉండదు రెడ్ బాల్ డ్రా చేయాలంటే సేమ్ కండిషన్ ఉంటుందా ఉండదు వైట్ బాల్ డ్రా చేసేటప్పుడు 5 బాల్స్ ఉన్నాయి రెడ్ బాల్ డ్రా చేసేటప్పుడు 4 బాల్సే ఉంటాయి సో ఇక్కడ కండిషన్ వస్తుంది సెకండ్ ఈవెంట్ కి కండిషన్ వచ్చింది ఏంటిది అది ఆల్రెడీ వైట్ బాల్ హ్యాస్ ఆల్రెడీ డ్రాన్ సో probability of white ball times probability of R given W. ఓకేనా clarified?
Yes, sir.
Now we are going to draw only one ball at a time. Correct? In succession mean one after the other. ఎన్ని బాల్స్ ఉన్నాయి బాక్స్ లో 5 ఉన్నాయి అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 5 we are going to draw only one ball 5C1 right అవునా కదా 5C1 how many are favorable 3 white balls are there 3 white balls లో ఒకటే డ్రా చేస్తాం we remove only one white ball 5C1 is the total number of possibilities. Okay. So దీనిలో 1 white ball draw చేయడానికి ఎన్ని possibilities ఉన్నాయి 3 white balls are there so 3C1 if you remove 2 white balls you have to write 3C2 as we are drawing or as we are removing only one ball so we have to write 3C1 by 5C1. Now probability of R given W. Now tell me how many balls left in the box?
4, sir.
Yeah. White ball is removed. 4 balls left in box. Now total possibilities any 4 balls ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి 4 C1. నెక్స్ట్ కూడా మనం 1 బాల్ రిమూవ్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో టోటల్ పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఆర్ 4 C1. Out of this 4 C1, how many are favorable to remove or draw red ball?
2
Red
C1
balls ఎన్ని
sir.
ఉన్నాయి?
2
Red
sir.
balls 2 ఉన్నాయి. So 2 C1. Now probability of W, probability of R given W is equals to probability of white given red is equals to 3 C1 by 5 C1
5 C1.
times 2 C1 by
2 C1 by 4
4
C1.
That's 3 by 5 times 2 by 4. So it is 3 by 10 or 6 by 20. Any doubt? Any doubt in this? Please copy. ఇదే ప్రాబ్లంలో ఈ ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటంటే 2 balls we are removing in succession. In case if we put back the ball, then what is the probability of red given W?
5 sir.
White ball remove చేస్తాం మళ్ళీ అందులోనే పెట్టేస్తాం. Then what is the probability of red given W?
2C1 by 5C1.
Very good. I'm moving to next slide. The next concept is independent events. Yesterday we have seen that happening of one event does not affect the happening of other event. Okay. So or simply probability of A given B, probability of A given B equal to probability of A. Probability of B given A equal to probability of B. Can you make sense of this statement? What is the meaning of this probability of A given B equal to probability of A? It is an independent event condition only. This is also independent event condition. Probability of A intersection B equal to probability of A into probability of B. Okay, here we have 3 conditions for independent events. Okay. I want to know what is the meaning of probability of A given B equals to probability of A. What is B? Can someone tell me what is B? Happened event or happening event?
Happened event.
Happened event. Happening event is current event is A. Okay, B is already happened. It is not affecting the present event. What is the present event? Probability of A. Okay, B has already occurred, but it is not affecting the current event A. So that is the independent event definition. అర్థమైందా? The occurrence of one event does not affect the occurrence of the other event. So other event is B. and the present event is A, the B is not affecting the A. So probability of A only. Similarly, probability of B given A equal to probability of B. What is the meaning of it? A is not affecting the B event. Okay. Similarly, probability of A intersection B equal to probability of A into probability of B. Joint occurrence of two events is equals to product of two event probabilities. Okay. So let us derive this one. Probability of A given B is equals to probability of A. Now, according to conditional definition, conditional probability is the probability of A intersection B by probability of B is equals to probability of A. So what is the probability of A intersection B? It is equals to probability of A times probability of B. Can you hear me? Power has gone.
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Okay, please copy it. Hello. Please wait. The power has gone. I'm using desktop for presentation. Hello. Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. This power went off. So this is about independent events. So ఇందాక మనం just we have seen the independent events for two events only, A and B. If there are more events, A, B, C, like if there are any events, then this is the case. A intersection B, probability of A intersection B equal to probability of A and probability of B. If there are three events, A, B, C, so the intersection among these and probability should be equals to probability of AI, probability of Bj, and probability of Ck. If there are any events, AI, Bj like An, then it should be equals to probability of AI into probability of Bj into up to probability of An. Okay. Then all these events are said to be statistically independent. Next. The problem here is if A and B are statistically independent, prove that A bar and B are also independent. Okay. First, let us write what is given. A and B are independent means probability of A intersection B is equals to probability of A and probability of B. I'm going to prove the first one in the slide. The first one, we have to prove that probability of A bar intersection B should be equals to probability of A bar and probability of B. Ante kada? What is the first one? A bar and B are also independent. Second one, A and B bar also independent. Third one, A bar and B bar also independent. We have to prove this. Probability of A bar intersection B equal to probability of A bar into probability of B. We have to use Venn diagram to prove this. Okay. So this is A, this is B. Okay. Now, what we have to prove? A bar intersection B. Can someone show me A bar intersection B in the Venn diagram?
The small
This
intersection.
This is A intersection B. Please show me where is the A intersection B, A bar intersection B. A bar intersection B.
The remaining part of
B minus A.
B.
A bar intersection B. What is the meaning of it? It is B only, but not A. Means it is B minus A. Avuna? Yesterday we have seen in operations. Okay. What is A minus B? A minus B is A intersection B bar. It is A only, but there are no common element of B in A. Similarly, B minus A. This is A bar intersection B. Okay. Now, I am showing that it is A intersection B. A bar intersection B. Am I correct? A bar intersection B. Avuna kada?
Yes, sir.
Now, can I write B as A intersection B union A bar intersection B. ఈ రెండింటిని కంబైన్ చేస్తే బి వస్తుందా రాదా? ఈ రెండింటిని యూనైట్ చేస్తే ఏ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ బి, ఏ బార్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ బి, ఈ రెండింటిని యూనైట్ చేస్తే యూ గెట్ బి ఆర్ నాట్.
Yes, sir.
This is our event. Now apply probability on both sides. What do you get? Probability of A intersection B union A bar intersection B. Now we can apply the probability of A union B formula. Okay, what is the formula of A union B? Probability of A union B formula.
P of A plus P of B minus P intersection. P of A intersection B.
Okay, ఇక్కడ ఈ రెండింటి మధ్య ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ ఉందా? ఎనీ కామన్ ఏరియా బిట్వీన్ A intersection B and A bar intersection B bar ఉందా? A intersection B, can someone tell me A intersection B intersection A bar intersection B, what is this?
Nulls.
ఈ రెండింటి మధ్య
Zero.
null set. So what is the probability of this? What is the probability of this?
0.
0. So directly we can apply probability of A intersection B plus probability of A bar intersection B. So there is no intersection because these two are mutually exclusive. A intersection B and A bar intersection B are mutually exclusive. Okay. Now let us write this is probability of B is equals to. So let us write already given that A intersection A and B are independent. So using that we can write it as a probability of A into probability of B. Can we write? P of A intersection B equals to P of A into P of B. On kada. Next, probability of A bar intersection B. Let us isolate this probability of A bar intersection B by moving the probability of A and probability of B onto left side. Let's take probability of B common. It leaves us 1 minus P of A. Okay. Can someone tell me what is P of 1 minus P of A bar?
P of A bar.
Sir, 1 minus
P of A
yes,
bar.
it is P of A bar. Now, is it not the independent condition?
Yes, sir.
Is it not the independent condition? We have to prove this one only, right? Independent and entity intersection equals to probability of intersection equals to multiplication of individual probabilities. So probability of A bar into probability of B. Okay. Second one, ఎలా prove చేస్తారు? We have to use the Venn diagram. Anyway, this condition is given. We have to use another one is A B bar. Where is A B bar? It is A only, but there are no common element of B in A. This is A B bar or A intersection B bar. If you unite these two, what do you get? If you unite these two, do you get A or
Yes,
not?
sir. Yes, sir.
A B bar union A B. Okay, you can write intersection or you can directly write A B bar. Apply probability on this. Probability of A equals to probability of A B bar. Okay. Union A B. Next, you apply A union B formula. Anyway, A B bar and A B are mutually exclusive, so there is no intersection. That is 0. You isolate the probability of A B bar and apply probability of AB equal to probability of A into probability of B, and you will get 1 minus probability of B, so that is nothing of probability of B bar. Okay, please copy. So CR, hello, CR,
Good
are
morning,
you
sir.
there?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Yeah, good morning. You note down the absentees numbers and send it to me.
Okay, sir.